Are you looking to easily edit your audio files? In this quick Descript guide, I'll show you how to use this powerful software to clean up your recordings, remove filler words, and even add some magic to your audio files, all without breaking a sweat. By the end of this video, you'll be able to edit like a pro in no time. Stick around, because I'm also going to reveal a way to access this tool for free with some exclusive bonuses. Descript is an intuitive, all-in-one audio and video editing software that makes editing as easy as editing text. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're a podcaster, content creator, or just need to clean up your recordings, Descript is designed to make the process quick and simple. You won't need to spend hours learning the ropes. Let me show you how easy it is. First, let's dive into how to upload your audio file. Simply drag and drop your audio file into Descript's interface. Once the file is uploaded, Descript will automatically transcribe your audio to text. Yes, you heard that right. It transcribes your audio into text. This is huge because you can now treat your audio like a document and edit it just by changing the words in the text. No more complicated timelines or waveforms to deal with. Now, let's talk about editing. Say you want to remove some filler words like or in Descript. You don't need to manually scrub through the audio to find them. You can simply click on the filler word tab in the sidebar, and Descript will automatically highlight all the filler words in your transcript. You can then delete them with just one click. It's an amazing time saver, especially when you're working with long recordings. Another great feature is the overdub tool. This tool allows you to type out the text you want to replace in your audio, and Descript will use its AI to synthesize your voice and insert the new text seamlessly. This is perfect if you need to fix mistakes or add new sentences without having to re-record everything. If you need to make other adjustments, Descript also allows you to edit audio levels, add background music, and even insert sound effects, all through the simple text editor. You can easily adjust your project's flow and pacing without having to worry about complicated controls. Descript simplifies audio editing, giving you more time to focus on the content itself. At the end of your edit, you can export your file in multiple formats. Whether you're looking for MP3, WAV, or others, Descript lets you download your file in the format that works best for you. You can also share your project directly from Descript to platforms like Dropbox or Google Drive, or even publish it directly to your podcast feed if that's what you're working on. Before we wrap up, I want to let you in on a secret. Descript offers a powerful free version. You can get started without spending a dime, and if you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that make this tool even more valuable. Descript makes audio editing so much easier. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or just someone who needs to clean up audio recordings. With its intuitive interface, automatic transcription, filler word removal, and overdub features, it's a game changer for anyone who works with audio files. So if you want to give Descript a try and start editing your audio like a pro, check out the link in the description for an exclusive, extended free trial. Trust me, you'll love it. That's it for this quick Descript guide. Get editing, and I'll see you in the next one.